Good evening, students. You can see Sanika has joined. Good evening. Is my audio and video clear? So Matthew, Avni, Praveen has joined. Okay, so thanks for confirming. Hey, good evening, everyone. In this class today, we are going to do a new topic, arithmetic progression. We can say it as AP also. So in this class, first of all, brief introduction. I'll give you what is an arithmetic progression. Afterwards, as we do always, we will do MCQs and assertion reason based question. Let's start then. I want you people to interact and give the answers, solve the questions along with me, and make your own notes. Don't only listen, whatever I'm writing, write along with me. Okay, so let's start now. So, first of all, let's understand what is an arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number d to the preceding term. So what does it mean? This we will understand with the help of example. So one example here I have written, you can see it's actually a sequence. Progression means sequence here, sequence of numbers. So what type of sequence is there? Like here I have given you example 2, 4, 6 and up to so on. Here, if you see, if you go from one term to another, you can see previous term plus 2 we are doing. Previous term plus 2. As we are going from 2 to 4, so 2 plus 2 we have done. As we are going from 2 to 4 to 6, we have done 4 plus 6. So one common number we are adding in each and every term. One more example I'll give. As you can see, let's say this example 5, 10, 15. 20 up to so on. So here if we are going from first to second term, I am adding 5. Again if I am going from second to third term, here also we are adding 5. Again third to fourth when I am going, so we are adding 5. So this is also an example of AP. In AP there are some notations, like how do we write? First term we write as small a. First term we write as small a. Second term we can write as A2. You can also write as T2. Okay, so I will be using A2. This is for second term. Third term is A3. Continuing that like this. The fourth term is A4 up to so on. If I have to write the last term, I can write it as AN. So N can be, in general I am writing. So A is written as first term. You can also write as A1, but mostly A is the general notation. So A for first term, A2 for second, A3 for third term. Here AN is the last term or general term you can say. Other than that, I have mentioned here we are adding one fixed number. So as we are going from 2 to 4, we have added 2, 4 to 6 we have, so we have added 2 here also. This number, it is here known as D. The number which we are adding, so that's known as D. The small d we have to write here, and this is known as common difference. This is common difference. Common difference. So how to find common difference? Whenever we have to find the common difference, it will always be second term minus first. Second term minus first term, or maybe third term minus second term. So in this order we have to find common difference. Common difference we don't have to find like 2 minus 4, not like that. We just have to do subtraction of second and 1. So A2 minus A1, A we can do, and this is how we find the common difference. Let's see few formulas. Formulas are there which we will be using while doing the questions of this chapter. So first one, the formula which we are going to use is AN. AN is for general term or last term. We can say last term or general term. Its formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. Here A is first term, A is first term, N is number of terms. How many number of terms are there in the sequence? So that is N number of terms, and D is common difference. D is common difference. This is the formula for general term. Then we have the formula for sum of sum of terms in the sequence. So sum we will write as Sn. For Sn we have two formulas. So first one is n by 2 to 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and second formula we have Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an or l you can write. Both the things are same. So these are the formulas which we will be using while doing the questions. So one more formula here you can remember, which is fourth one I have written here. So that is again the formula of an. That is again the formula of an. So when sum of terms are given to us, so an's formula, this also we can use Sn minus 1. When sum is given to us, from sum also we can find an. So how to find? One example I will give you. Suppose I have to find a8. This is an example I am telling. Suppose n means the value of n here 8 I have substituted. So a8 means 8th term. So I can find with the help of sum also. S8 minus 1 is 7. Here n minus 1 is written. So 8 minus 1 I have done, it is 7. So like this, if we know sum, from sum also we can find any term of the sequence by using this formula. So you can make a note of the formulas, because throughout the chapter we will be using these formulas. Other than that, this is very small and easy topic. Only these formulas we have to use, and along with the formulas you should have the knowledge of solving simultaneous linear equations. So that I believe every one of you knows, we have done in ninth grade also. So solving linear equations, simultaneous linear equations, you should know. So if you don't know, I will explain for one question like substitution method. I will explain wherever it's there. Now let's start the questions. If anyone has any doubt, you can tell me. I hope you have understood the meaning of arithmetic sequence. Okay, let's start from the first. Doubts you can ask in between. I'll be taking doubts. No doubts. Okay, then let's start from the first question. So first question is given to us, the nth term of an arithmetic. So nth term, whenever it is mentioned, that means we are talking about general term. So nth term, whenever they are talking, so that means we are talking about here general term. So general term we always write as an. General term we always write as an. So that is nth term, which we also say as last term also. So it's given to us, the nth term of an arithmetic progression is given to us as 2n plus 5. So here one general term is given to us. We have to find the 10th term. So 10th term means what? We have to find A10. 10th term we have to find, that is A10. So we can just substitute the value of n as 10. Whenever you get these type of questions in the general term, whichever term they are telling, that you substitute as the value of n. Here they are telling find nth term. So at n's place we will just write 10. So 2 into 10 plus 5. So 20, 2 into 10 is 20 plus 5, it is equals to 25. So very good, Diveshri, Monish, Avni, Jayashri, Praveen and Rihan has given the answer. So which is option C. So MCQs, whenever you are attending, whenever you are doing, write the answer as well as the option. So write its answer 25 and write also option C option. Let's do a second question. Which of the following is or are an arithmetic progression? So three numbers are there, or three sequences are given to us, 1, 2, 3. We have to check which of these are arithmetic sequences. So first is given to us 1, 4. The sequence 1 is given to us as 1, 4, 9, 16. So how to check? You can find the common difference. If common difference you are getting same, if common difference you are getting same, so that means it will be an arithmetic difference. So when common difference you are checking, you should check for each and every term. You should do 4 minus 1 also, like a2 minus a1, this is 3. You should do 9 minus 4 also, which is equals to 5. You should do 16 minus 9 also. So 16 minus 9, 7. So this is what? A2 minus A1. This is A3 minus A2. This is A4 minus A3. So all you have to check. Here you can see all the values of D are different. All the values are different. So that means first is not an arithmetic progression. First is not an arithmetic progression. So let's check for the second one. Second one is root 3, 2 root 3, 3 root 3, 4 root 3. Same thing we will do. We'll do a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1 when I'm doing it is 2, 3. See, this is first term a. This is second term a2. This is third term a3. Fourth term a4. This is how we write. So a2 minus a1 when I'm doing a2's value is 2 root 3 minus root 3. Root 3 means 1 root 3. Root 3 means 1 root 3. So 2 root 3 minus 1 root 3 is root 3 because numbers you have to subtract. This root number as it is you will write. Then a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2 will do. So this is a2, this is a3, this is a4. So a3 is 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3. 3 minus 2 is again 1. So only root 3 will get. 1 root 3 or root 3 alone you can write. Both the things are same. Yes. Then a3 minus a4 minus a3. For all we have to check whenever we are checking for AP. So this is a4 minus a3. So 4 root 3 minus 3 root 3. So 4 minus 3 is again 1. So this is also 1 root 3. So all the common differences, like this is one common difference for this sequence is root 3. So that means this sequence is an AP. Second one is an AP. Let's check for the third sequence as well. So third sequence it's given to us as 8, 6, 4, 2. In this one A is 8. Then A2 is 6, A3, then A4. So these terms I have written. So for all I have to check. All the differences I have to check. If all are same, then the given sequence is AP. So 6 minus 8 is minus 2. 4 minus 6 is again minus 2. 2 minus 4 is also minus 2. See, A2 minus A1 I have done. Then A3 minus a2, then a4 minus a3. So all I am getting equals to minus 3 minus 2. That means common difference is minus 2. Yes. So that means the third sequence is also an AP. So which option is the correct answer? Only second and third. Only second and third. First is not an AP. First you have seen the differences are different. So C option. C option. So option also you have to write, and you have to write the answer also. Only 2 and 3. Only 2 and 3. Let's do next question. So it's good. I can see you people are solving the questions along with me. Very good. Let's do the next question now. So one sequence is given to us. Sequence is 57, 54, 51, 48. And up to so on. The sequence is AP. The sequence is AP. So what we have to find here, we have to find the value of eighth term. So here we have to find the value of eighth term. So symbol of eighth term is A8. Symbol of eighth term is A8. Yes, so how to find the eighth term? See, whenever any sequence is given to us, in an AP, whenever any sequence is given to us, that means A is given to us. That means A is given to us. A is the first term of the sequence. Here first term of the sequence is 57. First term of the sequence is 57. Now D is also given to us. D we can find by doing subtraction of second and 1. Second is 54. See, first term is 57. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term and fourth term. So A2 minus A1 I can do. So 54 minus 57. Difference is equals to 3. Difference is equals to minus 3. Now A8 we have to find. So that means N is also given to us. N is equals to 8 because 8th term. So we can make use of standard formula, the journal formula. Formula is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula. So we have to find A8. To find A8, so N, you wherever N is there, replace N with 8. So A's value I can substitute 57 plus N is 8. 8 minus 1 into D is minus 3. So 57 plus 7 into minus 3. First of all, solve brackets. I have seen many times you will do plus and then multiplication. Follow BODMAS always. Just remember this. So 57, 7 into this is minus 21, 7 into minus 3, minus 21. So plus minus, it will get replaced with minus. So what is the answer? A8 is equals to, see, you have to be very careful with the signs here. I can see wrong answers, so people are giving. So 57 minus 21 when we will do. So this is equals to 36. Positive 36. Yes. So positive 36. It's not 78. It's A option. Option A. A8 is equals to 36. So simple, we have to remember whenever sequence is given to us, from sequence we can write down the value of A and D, and journal whatever term they are telling, using this formula we can find. Only thing here, you have to be careful with the sign. So 7 into minus 3 is minus 21. So here plus was there, so plus minus changed to minus only. Anyone any doubt? Still Sushil is telling me option B. Just see where you did a mistake, because everyone is else is getting 30. Two people are telling 78. Are you all getting 36 as the answer, or anyone getting 78? Yes, 36 is the correct answer, I think. Okay, it's 36. Okay, just see, Sushil, where you went wrong. Just check your calculations. Let's do next question. Question number 4. If the nth term of an AP is n plus 1, nth term means an. Whenever they mention this word nth term means we are talking about standard term. So it is nth term, an we write. It's given to us as n plus 3. Given to us as n plus 3. We have to find first three terms. That means A we have to find, A2 we have to find. A means A1 also, for your reference you can write, but most of the time try to write it as A only. And A3 we have to find. First three terms. For first term, substitute n's value as 1. For second term, n's value is 2. For third term, n's value is 3. And find all the. Now in this one, we don't have to use this formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. We don't have to use this formula because they have given us this formula. If any formula in the question is given, don't use the general formula, use the given formula. Okay, so let's find. So A means A1. So that will be n value is 1. 1 plus 3 I'll do. This is equals to 4. A2 is n's value 2. So at place of n we will write 2. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. A3 is equals to n's value will substitute 3. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. So 4, 5, 6, option C. C option 4, 5, 6 is the correct answer. Okay, good. You all getting the same answer. Let's do question number 5. So first four terms of the sequence. So this is same question like in the previous question, question number 2, we found A8. So this is that kind of question only. You can do along with me. So first four terms are given to us. First four terms of one sequence is given to us. First four terms are 70, 75, 80, 85. So if first four terms are there, that means sequence is given to us. From sequence, we can get the value of A as well as D. A is the first term, that means A is 70. So what's the value of D for this one? D we can always find by subtracting the successive term, this previous term from its successive term. So 75 minus 70. 75 minus 70 or 80 minus 75. So this you can do. So 75 minus 70 is 5. So common difference is 5. 10th term we have to find. 10th term means A10 we have to find. A10 we have to find. So that means n's value is 10. N's value is 10. So we can do now, we can write this again, we can make use of general formula. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So an means A10 we have to find. So let's substitute value. A's value is 70 plus 10 minus 1 into D. D's value is 5. Because n's value is 10, so I am just substituting here. So 70 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 5. So 70 plus 45. So 115. So option C, 115. Yes, so you all are getting the same answer. So C option 115 is the correct answer. Let's do next question now. Question number 6. So in question number 6, it's given to us in an arithmetic progression, if first term is 5, first term is given to us as 5, that means A. First term we write with small a, first term is 5, and the common difference is minus 3. Common difference we write with small d. A is equals to 5, D is equals to minus 3, and nth term. So nth term I have told you we will write it as an. Nth term we write as an. Nth term is minus 7. Then n equals to. So n we have to find here. What we have to find? N. So whenever we have to find n, we'll make use of the formula of nth term an. So an's formula is, so you can tell me the formula. What's the formula of an? What's the formula of an? An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so Nikita has given the answer. So I am just going to substitute now. So this formula we have to use. An is given to us as minus 7. A's value is 5 plus n minus 1 into d. D is minus 3. So in this question, first of all, always shift a to other side. Don't do any multiplication. Shift a to other side. If I shift a to other side, so this is plus 5. When we shift to other side, it will become minus 5. Now this is n minus 1 into minus 3. So this is minus minus plus. Minus minus plus. So minus 7 minus 5 is minus 12. Now let's shift this minus 3 to other side. So first of all, shift A. It will change to plus or minus as per the sign. Then shift D. Do like this only, always it will get divided always. So D is minus 3, here it's getting multiplied. When we shift to other side, it will get divided. So n minus 1, so minus and minus sign will get cancelled. 3 into 4 is 12. So 4 is equals to n plus n minus 1. Minus 1 also let's shift to this side. If we shift minus 1 to this side, minus 1 will be changed to plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is equals to n. So n's value here we are getting 5. So 5 is option A. Option A. N is equals to 5. Option A. Let's do sixth question now. Sixth question we have done. Let's do next question now. Do you have any doubt till here? Anyone, any doubt? So you can see the questions are very easy. Maximum of you are solving the questions along with me and sharing the answers. So I'm glad to see that. So till here, any doubt? Because we have already reached question number 7. No doubts. Okay, let's do this question now. The first four terms of arithmetic progression, first four terms we have to find. Whose first term? First term is given to us. A is given to us as 4 and common difference is given to us. Common difference is given to us as minus 6. First four terms we have to see. This is MCQ. This is MCQ. So directly by checking also you can do. No need of solving also, because in MCQs we have to save time also. Like first sequence it's given to us. For whichever you are getting common difference minus 6, so that means that will be the correct option. For whichever question you are getting minus 6 as the common difference, so that will be the correct option. Like if we check first one, so 4 minus 10, if we do this one, if we check for first one, so minus 10 minus 4, if we'll do common difference will come as minus 14. So that means A is not the correct answer. From difference you can check. If you check second one, option B. Option B, the sequence is first two term we will use and check. So 10 minus 4 if I do, second term minus first of the second sequence, 10 minus 4 is 6. So our common difference is minus 6. So that means this is also not the correct answer. Let's check for the third one. Again A2 minus A1 I am doing for third. A2 is minus 12, minus 2, A1 is 4. So minus 4. So minus minus plus with minus sign. So here we are getting difference minus 6. Here we are getting difference minus 6. First term is 4 and difference is minus 6. So that means option C is the correct answer. You can check for fourth one also, difference you can check, it is minus 2. So directly in MCQs you can use tricks like that. No need of finding using formula like this formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1. So this will consume time. So we have to save time. So these type of questions directly you can substitute and check. Have you understood how to check? Anyone, any doubt? Yes, so option C. Sequence also you can write 4 minus 2 minus 8 minus 14. I hope you have understood. Let's do next question now. Question number 8. The sum of first 20 terms. Sum of first 20. So first of all, sums symbol we write with capital S. Sum symbol we write with capital S. Sum of first 20 terms. So that means S20 we have to find. Sum of first 20 term symbol we write with S20. So sequence is given to us. So what's the sequence? 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. Whenever sequence is given to us, that means A is given to us. Sequence is given to us, that means A is given to us. First term of the sequence is A. With small a we write. That means difference is also given to us. Difference we can always find by A2 minus A1. A1 means A only. So A2 here, second term is 4. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So A is 2, D is also 2. We have to find S20. So that means n's value is equals to 20. Whatever is written as a subscript. Whatever is written as a subscript here, that is the value of n. N's value is 20 here. What we have to find? Sum. So sum's formula. Let's see who will tell me the formula of Sn. What is the formula of Sn? I told you at the starting, I gave you the formulas. So what's the formula of Sn? Sn's formula, you have to tell me then only. Okay, so Nikita has given the answer n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Very good. So let us solve this one. We just have to substitute and we'll get the answer. So n's value 20, 20 by 2, 2a. A's value is 2, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. N's value is 20. So 20 minus 1 directly I am just going to write as 19. 20 minus 1 I am just going to write as 19. So 19 into d, d is again 2. So we can solve this one. This 2 and 20 we can cancel. So 2 into 10 is 20, 10. So 2 into 2, 4. First do brackets, then do addition or subtraction. So 4 plus 19 into 2 is 38. 38 plus 4 if we do, so this will become 42. So 10 into 42, so 420. 420 is the answer for S20. So are you all getting same answer? Option C, many of you have shared. Okay, so option C is the correct answer, 420. Sum of 20 terms, first 20 terms is 420, which is option C. Let's do next question. This question was also direct question, but only one thing you have to remember: whenever sequence is given to us, indirectly A and D is only given to us. So write it down at the starting of the question itself. From sequence, write the value of A and D. Let's do question number 9th now. I hope I am not very fast. So is my speed fine? Is it all right? So first term of AP is -5 and common difference is 2. So this is a similar question. The question which we have done previously, same question. So here also we have to find sum of six terms. So sum of six terms means S6 we have to find. We have to find S6. So it's directly given to us. First term is given to us as -5 and common difference is given to us as 2. Given to us directly, no sequence directly, the value of A and D is given to us, and sum of six terms means, so value of n is also given to us. From here you have to understand S6 means n is 6, sum of six terms. So n is 6. So this is given to us. Let's use Sn's formula. Sn is equals to same formula which we used in the previous question also. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n's value is 6. So S6 it is 6 by 2, 2a. 2 into -5 plus, here 6 minus 1 directly I am going to write as 5d. D is 2. N minus 1 I have just written as 6 minus 1, which is 5. So here we can do cancellation. 3, 2 into -5 is -10. 2 into -5 is -10 plus 10. So -10 plus 10 is 0. 3 into 0 is 0. So 0 we are getting. That means option A. Sum of six terms of this sequence is 0. Yes, S6 is equals to 0 here. Let's do next question. Question number 10th. The sum of 16 terms of the AP is, so again same question, similar type of question which we did here previous two questions we have done. So let's do it. So a sequence is given to us 10, 6, 2 up to so on. So what is the value of A and D for this sequence? Now you have to tell me, because we have done now in a row two questions we have done, and this is the same question. This is the third question of similar type. So what's the value of A and D? You have to tell me. Then I'll proceed with this one. Because sequence is given to us, from sequence you have to see the value of A and C. Yes, A is 10. Very good. And what's the value of D? D is -4. So when we will do 6 minus 4, it is -4. So this is 6 minus 10, -4. So sum of 16 terms we have to find. So that means n is equals to 16. So S16 we have to find. Let's use the formula. Find the answer and tell me. S16 we have to do. So same formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 16. 16 by 2 to 2a. A is 10 plus 16 minus 1 is 15. Here directly I am writing n is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. D is -4. So here if we do cancellation, it is 8. So 8 into 2 into 10 is 20, minus 15 into 4 is 60. So but 15 into -4, when we multiply, it will become negative 60 only. So 20 plus negative 60, so which will become 20 plus minus two signs together, we have to make it a single sign. 20 minus 60. So 8 into 20 minus 60 is minus 40. Plus minus is minus and the sign which is with greater number that we have to use. So 8 into 4 is 32 and 1 0. Negative 320. Negative 320, option A. A option. So minus 320, Sanika, Nikita, Praveen, Janvi, Sushil and Shreyasi has given the answer. Very good. Negative 320. Let's do next question. Question number 11. This will be the last MCQ question. After this, we will do assertion and reason type of questions. Question number 11. So what is given to us? Let's write all the values. The given things: A is equals to 1, AN is equals to 20, Sn is also given to us 399. We have to find the value of n. We have to find the value of n. So which formula you want me to use here? We know here an also and Sn also, and we have to find n. So what do you think, with which formula we should start this question? We know the formula of an as well as the formula of Sn. So with which formula we can start this question? First AN. Okay, so Jayashree is telling first AN. So let me start with that only. Even Shushila has answered. So AN. So AN is given to us as A plus N minus 1 into D. So first I am using AN. So let's see what I'll get. So AN's value is 20. I am substituting A's value is 1. N I don't know. And D also I don't know. So 20 is equals to 1 plus N minus 1 into D. So what should I do? For what I am using the formula AN. Next, what I should do, you people can suggest. I have used the formula as per your suggestion. I have substituted the values also. And now I have got this type of equation. So what should I do? So what we will do, I'll substitute here. Essence formula to find D. Here we don't have to find D and we will not go in that direction also, because this is MCQ. You might get these type of questions. So what Aditya is telling, we should use SN first to find D and use AN. Okay, so from SN also how we can find, because we don't know N only. SN is equals to, okay, so Monish is telling we should find the formula SN is equals to N by 2 to A plus AN. Okay, so Sn is 390 to 99. This formula also I gave you. Sn two formulas we have given. I have given you. So 399 into here I'll shift. So the relevant formula we have to use here. If we start with An formula, it will be a problem. So we don't have to start with An formula. Sn we can start second formula of Sn, where An is given to us. So Sn's formula is n by 2 into A plus An. 2 I am shifting to other side. Here I am left with n into A plus An. A's value is 1. An's value is An's value is 20. So let it be like this. So 399 into 2, don't multiply here. Don't waste your time in multiplication. Directly we can do cancellation. So 20, here I'll get 399 into 2 is equals to n into 20 plus 1 is 21. Let's shift 21 to other side. It will get divided. When we shift 21 to other side, it will get divided. We'll be left with only n this side. Now we can do cancellation. It's clearly visible. Both the numbers are going on 3's table. 3 into 7, 3 into 133. Now this number will go on 7's table. So 7 into 1, 7 into which number? 19. Yes, 7 into 19. So n is equals to 19. Number of terms is equals to 19. Okay, 19 into 2 also we have to do. I forgot here. This 2 is also there. So 38. 19 into 2 is 38. 19 into 2 is 38. So C option is the correct answer. C option. Whenever an is given to us and we have to find Sn, you always use this formula. Okay, so option C. Let's do now assertion reason based questions. 4 to 5 these type of questions we'll do. Options, as usual, the options which we are doing, the options might be different also, but you have to answer your questions as per the given options. So here the options are: first option A is true, R is false, A is false, R is true, both A and R are false, true, both A and R are false. So these are the options. So what is given to us? Let's see first assertion statement. So assertion statement, it's mentioned the 11th term of the sequence is 20. So one sequence is given to us: minus 5, minus 5 by 2, minus 5, minus 5 by 2, 0, 5 by 2, and so on. They are telling here 11th term means of this sequence, if we find A11, it will be 20. So let's check. We can check this one. I'll find first of all from sequence. From sequence, let's write the value of A and D. A is the first term. A is equals to minus 5 and D we have to find from this sequence. If I have to find D, any terms I can use. Any successive term previous, I'll be using this one. A4 minus A3 because it seems easy. 5 by 2 minus 0 I have to do. So I'll be using this one. So I think difference is 5 by 2 only. Use the easy one. Here I have used A4 minus A3. Don't get stuck in the calculation. So here if you do A2 minus A1, again you have to take LCM and do so many things. So save time. Whenever from sequence you are finding D, go with the easy one. I have done here A4 minus A3. So A4 is 5 by 2 minus 0. If we subtract 0 from anything, it will be same only. So difference is 5 by 2. It's not 5. It's 5 by 2. Sushil, I hope you have understood what I have said here. Have you understood how to find the difference? Difference we can find, we can do 8. I missed 20. 20 is they are telling A11 is 20. So that we have to check and that we have to check whether it is 20 or not. So this is the sequence. For this sequence, they are telling 11th term is 20. So we just have to check it. So both are true. Let's check. So difference, first of all, I was telling you can either do A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, anything you can do. It's not always A2 minus A1 you have to do. So I have found A and D. Let's find A11. So A11 is equals to A plus N minus 1D. So N minus 1 directly I can write standard formula I am using. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN means A11 is equals to A. A is minus 5. A is minus 5 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. D is 5 by 2. So minus 5 plus, here 5 and 2 we can 10 and 2 we can cancel. So minus 5 plus 25. This is equals to 20. Plus minus minus and the sign which is with greater number. So yes, A11 is 20. A11 is 20. So that's correct. Now what's the second part? So that means assertion is true. I hope it's clear. Assertion is true. Now we have to see the reason statement. Reason, it's mentioned if the common difference is 5. So D is given to us. Common difference is 5 and it's given A18 minus A13. So D is equals to 5. We have to find, it's given A18 minus A13 is equals to 25. So this also we can check. This also we can check by using the standard formula. So A18. See A18 is directly you can write this formula. A18 is A plus 17D. A plus 17D minus A13, it will become A plus 12D. So we have to see A18 how I got. A18 I have used this formula only. So it is A plus 18 minus 1. So that's how I got A plus 17D. I hope you have understood. Directly also you can use whichever term here you are finding. So with D you just have to multiply the previous number. So A18, so same way A13's value we found as A plus 12D. So 13's previous number is 12. So 13's previous number is 12. So let's check this one now. So A plus 17D minus, let's open the bracket, minus A minus 12D. A and A will get cancelled. So 17D minus 12D. 17 minus 12 is, because both of these are like terms. 17 minus 12 is 5, 5D. So 5D is equals to 5 into 5, which is equals to 25. So that's what they also have given, that this thing A18 minus A13 is equals to 25. So that means this is also true. So both are true. That means option C is the correct answer. So maximum of you have given me the answer before my solution. So very good to see that you have understood. That means let's do question number 2. Question number 2 of assertion and reason week. So both the statements you have to see here. So assertion statement, what it says, the fourth term from the end, fourth term from the end of this sequence. So sequence is minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, and up to so on. 149 is given to us. Of this sequence, they are telling fourth term from end is 40. This is fourth term from end. So whenever you have to do this type of question, from end you have to find some term. You have to do one thing only. You just reverse the sequence. Write the sequence in other way. Write the sequence in this way. Whenever you have to find any number from end, so write the sequence other way. So it will be 14 minus 5 minus 8 minus 11. That's how you have to write the sequence. Yes, Rehan has given. So for this one, now A is not minus 11. This is not the sequence which we have to use. We have to use the this sequence. So A's value is 49 and D's value, any from these two you can use, or from these two. So minus 8 minus of minus 5. So I have used these two, successive term minus the preceding term. So that's how you have to find D. So minus 8 minus minus plus 5. So minus 3 is the common difference. Minus 3 is the common difference. So fourth term's formula we can use, A4 is equals to A plus 3D. So 4, if 4 is here, so A plus 1 previous number. With previous number you multiply D. So A4 is equals to A plus 3D. A's value is 49 plus 3 into D is negative 3. So 49 minus 3 into 3. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. So 49 minus 40 is 9. 49 minus 9 is 40. Yes, so A is true. A is true, and this type of questions you can get in this one subjective type of question also. Find fourth term from end, find fifth term from end. So what you have to do, you have to reverse the sequence, given sequence, reverse it and find the required term using the same formula of an. Let's check for the general term from the end is a plus a is equals to l plus. So from end, if we have to find that telling formula is A plus A is equals to L. L means the last term plus N minus 1 into minus D. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. If you check the sequence original D, if you check the sequence original D was how much? Minus 8 minus of minus 11. So this was positive 3. D was initially positive 3. So when we used it in the form of negative, and last term. Here we use last term. Here we use last term, and here we use negative D. So that means here also both are correct. Both are correct. So that means from here you got the direct formula also. Whenever you have to find any sequence, from any sequence, some term you have to find from last, you can use this formula also. You can make a note of this formula. So A is equals to L plus N minus 1 into minus D. Both way you can do whatever way you are comfortable, but you can just make a note of this formula. You can use. Let's do next one, assertion. Okay, so what's given to us? The sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions. So its ratio is given to us. So suppose Sn I am just assuming as first, and the second one we can assume as with small s. We can just, because first two arithmetic progressions are there here. Two arithmetic progressions are there. Their sum the ratio is given to us. So Sn plus 1, 7n plus 1 and 4n plus 17. So two arithmetic progressions are there and their sums of n terms ratios are given to us. So in the ratio it is mentioned, if we find their mth term, then it will be 7 is to 4. That means this n only we just have to replace by m. Mth term means am. Mth term means am. Okay, so if they say rth term, it will become ar. If they say any term like s term, so it will become as. So don't get confused there. Only this variable we have to change. Normally we write it with n. So now they are telling we find it with m. So no problem. So we can use the formula. So it will be, if we use the formula of Sn, we can use sum of terms are n only. So n by 2 into 2a plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is same, but a and d will be different. So I'm just using the formula here. So n by 2, for this also it is n by 2. So for first one, let us write with the capitals so that no confusion. Suppose first sequence, first term is capital A and common difference is capital D. Second term is, first term is small a. See, n is same because ratio of n terms we are taking. N will remain same in both the sequences, but their first term and common ratio will be different. So differently I have written here. So 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Small d I am just writing here. Suppose the difference for second sequence is small d. So here let it be 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 17. So n by 2 and n by 2 will get cancelled. Other than that, now they are telling we have to find the ratio of mth term. So let's replace n with m. So if we are replacing, what we'll get? If we replace, what we will get? So we'll get 2a plus n minus 1, 2a plus n minus 1 into d by 2a. So I am just replacing n with m. 2a plus m minus 1 into small d, it is equals to 7m plus 1 by 14n plus 17. So this is what I'll get. But mth terms, how they will look like? How the mth terms will look like? Any idea? How mth term will look like? We have to write the ratio of their mth term. See, nth term looks like this. A plus n minus 1 into d. So that means this side we have to get this. This side we have to get this form. So now what we should do? We don't need 2a. Here small a is there. Only a we need. We don't need here 2 with a. We need only a. So what we can do here? What we can do here? So 7, if you take 2 also, here you can see, if you take 2 also common, Common factor. Yes, Rehan is telling common factor. So which factor you will take common? Which factor? Common factor you just have mentioned. But how you will take how you will take this common? Sushil is telling 7. No, we cannot take here common also. If we take common also, suppose 2 we are taking common. So 2 if we take common also, here we will be left with 2 plus m minus 1 into d. Here 2 will be there in denominator. And here also if we take 2 common, so a plus m minus 1, here in denominator it will be d. So here it will be 7m plus 1 by 4n plus 17. Shiva Shankar is telling n minus 1. N minus 1 how we can take common? N minus 1 we, from where we'll take common? See, we have to get this thing, ratio of their mth term we have to get. So this side I should get, this side I should get a plus m minus 1 into d, its ratio by a plus n minus 1, not n, m minus 1 into small d. So here it is this form we should get. We should get this form. So how we will get? We have here we have 2a. Both the sides we have 2a. So here also I have 2a as of now. Here also I have 2a. So here I have 7n plus 1 and 4n plus 17. I have replaced n with m already. So how we can do? I don't see any responses now. I don't see any responses. So what can be done here? M minus 1. M minus 1 we have to take common. M minus 1, no. See, if you take common also, there is no common factor, and if you simplify this one, still the answer will be in m, and still it will be in m form. It will not get cancelled. Here they say the answer is 7 is to 4. Here the answer says it is 7 is to 4, but after reaching here also we can see the answer will not get reduced. There is no way that m is getting cancelled, because it's like assertion and reason based question. So full working we don't have to do. We just with simple logic we have to. So they have mentioned the answer as 7 is to 4. That means the answer will come as 7 by 4. So do you think is there any way to cancel m? M will not get cancelled. If you simplify this also till last point, the answer will be in M form only. We will not be able to cancel M, because you have done this ratio and proportion also. If we have same number, so suppose here also 7m I have. Here also something I have 7m, and this side also I have 7m. So then by using properties of proportion also we can do something. But as of now, the final answer will always be in M form, but they have given us the answer will be in 7 by 4 form. So that means this is not true. This is false only. It cannot be reduced to that form where M will be completely cancelled. So that's why assertion is false here. So we have worked, and we reached to the conclusion that M cannot be cancelled here. So next one. Let's see reason for this one. What's the reason they have mentioned? For reason they have mentioned, if Sn is given to us, Sn in some general form it's given to us. If Sn is given to us, then Tn. Tn means An only. At starting itself I have told you either you can write Tn or you can write An. So then they're telling An we can find from Sn by using this formula Sn minus Sn n minus 1. Sn minus Sn minus 1. So is it true? Do you think it's true? Reason is true or false? Is the reason true? Yes, reason is true because this is the formula. In formulas also I gave, if we know sum, we can find any term from that sums expression. So that means reason is true. So A is false. A is false here and R is true. A is false, R is true. So this is option B. B option. So two more questions are there. Let's just finish the questions fast and let's end this class then. So they have mentioned here if A18, same type of earlier also we have done, A18 minus A14 is 32, then D is equals to minus 8. Am I audible? Am I audible? So we will find D's value. Okay, we'll find D's value. So A18 we can write as A plus 17D like we did previously. A and the formula I'm using. A18 is A plus 17D. I'm just writing its formula. A14 is A plus 13D. Directly we can write A plus 17D minus A plus. From here we have to calculate D. So A plus 17D minus A minus 13D is equals to 32, because when minus is outside the bracket you have to change the inner sign. So A and A will get cancelled. 7 minus 17 minus 13 is 4D. 7 minus 3 4, 1 minus 1 0. Yes, 4D is equals to 32. So D is equals to how much? What's the value of D we are getting? What is the value of D we are getting and what's the value of D they have mentioned? A is true. Am I getting different value? They have mentioned, are you all getting D's value as 8, positive 8? Yes, so we are getting positive 8, but the given is negative 8. So that means A is false. Let's check the reason. Reason also we have to simplify. Let's simplify the reason part also. So R we have to simplify here. 7 times the seventh term. 7 times means 7 we will write as it is. In maths, times means multiplication. 7 times seventh term. Seventh term we write as A7 of an AP is equals to, I am writing as it is, 11 times its 11th term. 11 times. 11 times means 11 into A 11. 11. Then 18th term will be 0. If this is the thing, then A18 is equals to 0. So let's check this thing. So 7 into A7's formula we can write A plus 6D. A plus 6D. Direct formula I'm writing A7's formula is A plus 6D. 11 into A plus, so 11 terms formula is A plus 10D. A plus 10D. Let's simplify this thing. So bracket multiplication here we can do. If I am doing bracket multiplication, I'll get 7A plus 42D is equals to 11A plus 110D. So let's shift all the terms on one side. So I am just shifting. So 7A plus 42D. Here I am shifting minus 11A, and this also when I shift minus 110D. So plus minus minus, so minus 4A, and what will get? Minus 110 if we do subtraction. So 10 minus 2 is 8, 68. Is it correct? Minus sign will take common. So 4A plus 68. When both the sides minus sign is there, multiply entirely with the minus. 68. Okay. So 4 is a common factor. 68D. 68D we are getting here. So what we got? We got here 4A plus 68D is equals to 0. 4 is a common factor. 4 with divide with common factor. So if you divide, so you will get A plus 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So A plus 4 into 1, 28. 4 into 7 is equals to 0. A plus 17D is equals to 0. What is A plus 17D? What is A plus 17D? A plus 17D is actually A18 only. This is the formula of A18. Yes. So that means R is true. A is false, R is true. B option is the correct answer. B option is the correct answer. So here in this question as well as in the previous question, you can see sometimes we have to work also. Sometimes the conceptual questions will also be there. Let's do now fifth question. The fourth term from the end we have to find. See, sequence is given to us. We'll use the general formula from the end one only. So A and A4. So what's the formula? I told you to make a note. A4 from end I have to write. So this formula I'll use L plus n minus 1 into minus d. I told you to make a note of this formula. Whenever we have to find any term from end, we'll use this formula. A4 is equals to L plus n minus 1 into minus d. So let's see what is A. A is equals to minus 11, although we don't need it. D, let's find. D is A2 minus A1 I am doing. So A2 is minus 8 minus of minus 11. So minus 8 plus 11 is equals to 3. Difference is 3. Last term is 49. Last term is 49. So let's substitute now. 49 plus, so fourth term. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 into minus d. Minus of minus d we have to do. So d is 3. So minus 3 we have to do then. 49 minus 9. So this is equals to, so this we have earlier also we have done it. Same assertion has come. This we have done earlier also. A is true. A is true. Let's see the reason now. If nth term of an AP is 129, nth term means an is given to us as 129 and sequence is given to us. From sequence, let's write the value of A. A is minus 4. D is, this I'll do 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is equals to 5. And n's value they are telling, if this is the given thing, then n is equals to 100. Let's use an's formula. Let us use the formula of an and check whether the value of n is correct or not. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is minus 1 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 5. An is also given to us as 129. First of all, let's shift A. 129 plus 1 is equals to n minus 1 into 5. So this is 130. Now let's shift 5 to other side. 130 by 5 is equals to n minus 1. If we divide this one, so this is 2, 26. 26 here it will be plus 1. If I shift minus 1 to other side, so n's value we are getting equals to 27. So is it true? They are telling n should be equals to 100, but we are getting n's value equals to 27. So that means R is false. A is true, R is false. So A option is the correct answer of this one. A is true, R is false. So here we have completed assertion reason based type of questions also. Tomorrow morning we will do subjective type of questions of AP. If anyone has any doubt in any of the question, you can just let me know. Won't be 5 a.m. Tomorrow I will take class 7 a.m. in the morning. Is it clear? No doubts. Okay. Thank you everyone for attending the class. Good night.